Hello guys, channel to my welcome guys. So in today's video we will see how to create a React app. Okay, first of all I have created one folder and opened it using code editor. I have named it as React. So now we will jump in our browser and I have already opened this website. You just have to type create Vite React app and you will jump on this page. Go on this first link, that is getting started, and now scroll down and you will see this just copy this. You have to say npm create at latest. This is the fastest way using which you can create React app. So I will go inside my terminal and I will paste this. So it says npm create at latest and I will hit enter. So you have to name your project. So I will say React demo, React underscore demo, and I will hit enter. You have to give a name to your package. The same whatever the suggestion which is given. Just type that React underscore demo and hit enter. So we will create a React using React framework. I will hit enter and I will use JavaScript. So I will hit enter. So now these three options are given. Choose one and copy that and just paste it over here. So you have to basically go inside the folder which you have created. So inside this React folder you created this React demo, right? So cd React demo means it will go inside that folder. And now you can see here that package.json and gitignore and src folder is already been created. And now I will say npm install. Let us just wait for a few seconds until it gets installed. Let us just wait. It's loading, guys. Don't load your memory. Wait. Okay, it is installed. Now we can copy this npm run dev and here we go. So our React app is already ready over here. So I can just copy this link. This is our local host. Okay, so I will go. Okay, wait. Can I just move this? Okay. So open terminal and paste it and hit enter. So here guys you can see that our Vite plus React app is ready. So if I click over here, it will count will increase. So this is our React app. At the src folder there is app.jsx. So here we can see here the function is been written for the button on click. That on click the count will increase by 1 every time when we will click this button. The count will keep on increasing. Okay, so this is our React app. So in next video we will see how to integrate our Tailwind with React application. Thank you guys for watching. Keep coding, keep hustling, be motivated. Please like and subscribe to my channel guys. Thanks for watching.